Hello and welcome back, Fresh Foodies. Today we're going to do a spicy chicken flatbread. Very easy, 20-minute meal. Let's get cracking. First thing we're going to do is just quickly chop up that lettuce. We'll get our wad of cucumber, half it and scoop the innards out. We'll just dice that up. Just finely chop this mint, put it in with the cucumber and then add the yogurt. Just season and mix. Next thing we're going to do is butterfly the chicken. We're going to season it with some paprika, some oregano, some chili flakes, and of course sea salt and black pepper. On a hot griddle, we're just going to place our butterfly chicken down. After 3 or 4 minutes, we're just going to turn it over to cook the other side. Once rested, we're just going to chop it up into slices. And then we're ready to assemble. So we'll get our flatbread. We're going to put a yogurt raita. Then place some pickled red cabbage. A good wad of lettuce. Some slices of the chicken. And then we'll just top it up with the raita. And there you go, a healthy meal done in under 20 minutes. If you liked that video, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.